here since from 1940, and his name is Mozinho de Albuquerque. We're going now to start the main meal. The main meal, what you got for main meal? O que é que temos lá?
The main meal is frango à zambeziana. It's a very traditional chicken in Mozambique.
Baby chicken à zambeziana.
Mas o frango, ele foi feito ontem. Nós cortamos ontem, temperamos com alho, limão e um bocadinho de sal. E hoje coloquei pimenta preta e o leite de coco.
Okay. E last night, Maimuna cleaned the chicken and then marinate just with the lemon juice, garlic and salt.
Salt.
Yes, and pepper. Last night. And
E hoje
today,
eu pus, hoje logo cedinho, eu pus o leite de coco. Atenção, aquele leite, aquele fresquinho. Pronto,
Yes.
compramos o coco, moemos e pus o leite de coco, aquele de cima,
Yes.
que eu sempre explico.
Yes.
O fresquinho,
Yes.
que é para dar o gosto
yes.
do
And
coco.
now, as Muna explained to me, very important. This morning, early this morning, Maimuna did again the fresh coconut milk and added to the chicken already marinated from last night, but again from the 2 centimeters scooped from the cream and marinated. And that's
bocadinho
it.
de azeite. Agora vou pôr um bocadinho de paprika, que eu quero que ele tenha uma corzinha.
And little bit olive oil just for the taste. And now Maimuna is going to add the paprika. Paprika to get that nice grilled color. Now, as we explained, add more pepper for taste, and then Maimuna like to add quite nice of paprika for the color, taste as well. So because is that, and after that, my dear son going to explain how he going to grill it, and it is rotisserie. Zambeziana. Frango à zambeziana. Chicken à zambeziana. Held there. And chef assistant.
So what we do is mix it up the grill.
Bom, normalmente seria grelhado num fogão a carvão, né?
Mas deixa.
Com pressa.
Eles vão.
It's ideal.
Explica que devia ter sido em carvão, mas nós.
Mais um bocadinho para ficar gostoso.
Pepper, secret recipe. Secret ingredient.
And I believe he learned to do this chicken nugget with Maimoon, his wife.
Into the rotisserie.
Okay?
Está? Colocamos na panela. vai a ferver, que é para depois pincelarmos o frango. Vamos deixar um bocadinho, que vamos pincelando enquanto ele está a grelhar. E esta que resta vamos ferver, fica consistente e colocamos por cima do frango quando vamos servir.
Okay, this little bit here, we're going to brush over the chicken while it's grilling. And then this, the same marinade, we had to the pot go to boil. And nicely, we'll show it on.
Mexer o tempo todo, que é para o coco não se cortar.
Yes, and stir it all the time. And to put over the chicken after cooked. Yeah. As a sauce. As I understood from main menu, traditional, there's a chicken Zambeziana is done in the coals as well. But we decide today to show you another technique and also very delicious stuff.
Have a quick look how this
Chicken's doing.
chicken's doing, and then we're also going to give it a bit of coconut pasting.
So this is the coconut mixture, the marinade,
Coconut mixture, that's
the garlic.
garlic, paprika. Get it in there.
To show how to add the coconut sauce being boiled, you can see. And now goes over the chicken. That's it. It's served like
Beautiful.
that. And amazing. We should put some.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Bon appetit.
Oh,
1901.
my word.
1901.
Coconut water.
At the central Maputo in Maputo.